James Gibbons from CladHacks, and another hack of the day is, or tip of the day is, at the end of the job we want to just go around the job and just make sure that any touching up needs to be done. With this schedule we've had some touch-up paint there, and the main thing is not to use a paintbrush to do the touching up. You can get paintbrush happy, and I'll just show you some examples now of what happens if you get paintbrush happy. So my tip to you is to use an earbud. Now the earbud is great for just tipping in just like that, and not like that.